So you're here because you want to start your own online business. Well, I did 11 years ago from my laptop. And guess what? I went on to sell over $50 million worth of products online. My best year, I did over $10 million. Then, suddenly, one day, I lost it all. I actually went millions into debt. It happened so suddenly, I was shocked. I've been doing so well. What happened? One day, I put my foot down, and I decided it was time to turn my life around and start from scratch. What was my goal? To rebuild back to $10 million a year, but this time do it in less than 1 year. Well, guess what? I did it. I discovered the one secret to any online business, a secret 99% are missing. It's easy, it's fun, and it's fast. Now, just to prove it, I set out on a mission. I had 5 people flying from all over the country, all of them with dreams of having their own online business. What was my goal? To change their lives within 24 hours using my one secret weapon, email. You're getting a front row seat right now to see just what I did. And in the next few minutes, I'll reveal just what their results were.
Holy crap. You're Batman.